What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Milady meme coin fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Ladies fam, hey, don't go out here getting rug from people, man. Getting rug from these influencers, getting rug from these people that are pushing crap meme coins, okay? They got some quality meme coins. I know you might be thinking, well, there's no such thing as a quality meme coin, but trust me, they got some quality meme coins out there, man. And what we're covering in this video and on the channel is a quality meme coin, in my opinion, okay? Ladies fam, if you hold ladies, you're new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself is in the description, and always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose when it comes to crypto, guys. But yeah, go support the previous ladies videos, blow them up, guys. Keep supporting. I see we getting a 500 views per video. We should be sitting at like 1,000 views per ladies videos, guys. Community of the ladies fam. All it takes is awareness for a project to completely explode. We're gonna dive into some projects that other projects, just to give my base case on why I think ladies will start to crush it whenever the market turns bullish once again. And we're gonna go through a few projects that did crush it in the last bull cycle in 2021, right? And we're also gonna dive into why you should always do your own research and never fully listen to influencers. You know, even me, don't necessarily listen to what I have to say until you've done your own research, right? Until you've come to the conviction and, you know, decided things for yourself. That's when you make your investments, guys, because at the end of the day, we all have to take accountability when it comes to this space, okay? Anything that happens, if you invest in a project, it goes to zero, or it fails, it flops, you got to take accountability, man. You got to you know, take control, take accountability. You got to be like, it's my fault that this happened, I invested into it. And then guess what you do? You keep going, you keep pushing until you make the right investments, right? But when I talk about this, when I talk about meme coins on the channel, obviously you don't go all in. You just get a little bit of exposure to meme coins, but we know the type of ROIs meme coins bring. And you know, there's some good meme coins in the space. There are good meme coins in the space, and I think ladies is one of those, right? I really do believe so. So right now, ladies is sitting at 20 mil market cap, trading sideways, 2.7 mil in 24-hour trade volume. Again, super bullish that ladies is on Arbitrum as well as Ethereum. If you wanna trade ladies and you don't want to go through all the gas fees, you just get it on Arbitrum, or go through centralized exchanges obviously as well, then withdraw that to your wallet. Clearly you should not be holding any of your crypto on wallets. If it's gonna be a long-term hold, not wallets, but exchanges, my apologies, centralized exchanges. If it's gonna be a long-term hold, never hold on centralized exchanges, guys. Only hold crypto in your wallets. If you can't afford a hardware wallet, which is the safest way to store, get yourself MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and you know, store there until you can eventually get your hands on a hardware wallet, okay? Now, as we can see from the trade volume, you see ladies still on KuCoin with some nice trade volume, 20k on KuCoin, Tier 1 exchange, Gate.io with 154k, Poloniex, Crypto.com, Huobi 26k, BitGet 629k on BitGet. BitGet whales must be buying up ladies, man. I realize BitGet is super bullish on ladies. Crypto.com 77k, again super bullish on ladies because of the Crypto.com exchange listed, man. Remember, to me in this space, apart from like Robinhood and you know, Robinhood and Gemini, to me the best exchanges are the ones people use the most, because I don't think people use Kraken that much either. But even though Kraken is a tier 1, I think it's Binance, Coinbase, and Crypto.com. Those are the three, right? Those are the three exchanges you want to be listed on going into the bull cycle, because I think that's where all the most of the American transactions take place, because the majority of the people in crypto buying crypto now is American. the most of the money in crypto is from the US, right? So those are, you know, crypto.com, especially Coinbase, especially US based centralized exchanges, right? There's so many people that just like I said, just use crypto.com only, right? That's the only exchange they use. That's the only place they buy their crypto. They never get into DeFi. They don't set up like DeFi wallets, none of that. They just buy on the exchange and hold their crypto on the exchange, okay? So that's why I say that's super bullish for ladies, man, and a ton of other exchange listings as well. Still holding up some very nice volume. The market is kind of sluggish going into the weekend. Bitcoin back down to 29,300. Bit of a shakeout, but you guys saw from the Fed recently, from the Fed, they raised interest rates once again, guys. They raised interest rates for the Fed once again. Oh, look at that. what is that on my screen? But yeah, they raised interest rates. The Fed just raised interest rates again by 0.25% to a 22-year high. 22-year high. This is the highest interest rates have ever been, okay? It's the highest interest rates have ever been. The interest rate hike was a unanimous decision. Fed will likely raise rates coming months. If inflation continues to decline, the Fed may slow the pace of interest rates. High rates make mortgages, credit cards, and borrowing more expensive for consumers and businesses. Man, the people that are so like, you know, supposed to be running, or, you know, the officials, top officials of this whole system or finances, you know, the way we live our day-to-day lives in society, they just be doing a terrible job, man. I'm telling you. I'm trying to find you know, an exact point to stick on as far as the interest rates go, guys, because with the these high interest rates, right, and inflation, the CPI data being at 3%, right, there is something called deflation that's gonna potentially happen, guys. And deflation for us as investors is gonna be good for investors, but it's pretty much gonna put us right back where we started. The Fed will have to start quantitative easing or find some way to speed up the economy again, because they slowed it down so much. And, you know, eventually that's gonna happen, I think, when the Bitcoin halving starts to take place. And I already know, man, when quantitative easing happens, just like how it happened in the last cycle, I wanted to bring up another meme coin, like I mentioned, just like how it happened in the last cycle. This is sitting at $20 million in market cap. This I got a 10x in the last cycle. This was KISHU Inu, right? I think I shared it in my previous video, but Bitcoin literally was doing nothing for the whole, after it had a huge pump in May 2021, it just crashed, right? And it, you know, it was just down, and then all of a sudden Bitcoin started to pump, go crazy, and KISHU, boom, instant 10x, man. And that's what's gonna happen going into the next bull market, right? Because nobody was talking about KISHU when it was. I wish I had a better chart. Let me see if I could find a better chart, right? Let's see. Hold on, guys. Let me see. Hold on. I'm mentioning another project just to show you guys what I think is gonna happen with ladies. Okay, chart doesn't show me exactly. Okay, so right here, the project was dumping, going like for the whole year, just dumping. KISHU was just dumping constantly, and all of a sudden Bitcoin started to go crazy, and then all of a sudden, boom, huge pump on KISHU right here, right? Bitcoin went up to, remember, it went to 65k in May 2021, and then at the end of the year it went to 69k, and everything, like majority of the alts, majority of the projects just absolutely exploded, right? And that's what's gonna happen going into the next bull market. But it's not gonna be just a quick move up. It's gonna like be a monthly thing, right? But we're in the beginning stages of it, but it's still kind of super choppy because of the interest rates, and you know what the Fed is doing from since last year with the market conditions, right? So for ladies, let's go back to the ladies chart. For ladies, my apologies, I just hit the mic. For ladies, what's gonna potentially happen, you're gonna see it like be sideways like this for a while. Oh, hold on, that's not the ladies chart, my apologies. Make sure I'm on the right chart. I'm doing this live, guys, so bear with me. But yeah, so the ladies chart, it's gonna be in this consolidation phase, just going sideways for a minute, right? But because it's on these tier 1 exchanges, because it's on all of these different exchanges, there's gonna be a point in time when Bitcoin finally starts to get bullish and finally, you know, stops the fake outs. You know, we were on our way to 31k. What was ladies doing? Ladies was starting to break out when Bitcoin was on its way to 31k, right? Back here, right? And then all of a sudden Bitcoin started to drop again, drop below 29k. What is ladies doing? Dropping with Bitcoin, right? So eventually it's gonna get to a point where, you know, the market does see that bull run phase, and then that's when ladies is gonna just crush it, man, because a meme coin, in my opinion, always pumps harder than altcoins. So ladies fam, keep an eye out for that. And like I was saying, man, don't fall victim to these pump and dumps from influencers, man. These people out in the space are just stealing people's money, man, and just enriching themselves, man. You know, I prefer put my money in a decentralized meme coin than into an influencer's project. They had this project that launched. Look at this chart, PNDX, and that's why I say look at how the ladies chart is holding up in comparison, right? Look at how the ladies chart is holding up in comparison. Still going sideways, still not back down to its June lows, right? And just consolidating, whereas, you know, they got charts like this that just completely boom, gone. Everybody who bought into this demolished. Like absolutely demolished, guys. I know it's not a laughing matter. We need to get the scammers out of the space, man, but it's crazy. You see this all the time, man. This is from one of those top influencers, what's his name, Paulie. He's one of the guys that, you know, was, you know, the reason why Pepe ran so hard after it hit that 100 mil, 200 mil market cap ceiling. A huge amount of people on Twitter with influence started to mention Pepe, then it ran all the way to 1 billion, right? But yeah, don't get into scam meme coins, man. Don't get into scam projects, right? There's meme coins out there. Like I said, even though yes, it's a meme coin, the ladies coin is a meme coin, it still is holding up pretty well. It's holding up like an altcoin, in my opinion, man. It's holding up like an altcoin, just like the other top meme coins. You see, KISHU is right there that I just showed you guys. They're going sideways right now, man. They're going sideways right now, holding up pretty well. All the meme coins are holding up pretty well. Even Pepe. What is Pepe doing? Pepe is going sideways right now. You know, eventually they're gonna start to pop off again, right? So I think the same thing's gonna happen for ladies, guys. Just gotta be patient. If you hold the project, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about ladies and myself will be in the description. Really appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you in the next one.